Hey guys, this is Harshita Ramlani, a bridal makeup artist based in Jaipur, and today's video is all about this clean self makeup look which is also trending these days. I have created this look by just using these two brushes and one beauty blender. You can also create this very easily. Also, if you have any doubt in video, you can let us know in comment section. Also, you can DM us on my Instagram. Without wasting our time, let's get started. So before we begin, we have to make sure that our face is clean and well moisturized, which I'll also show you. Also, I would like to mention that I am not a person who wears makeup on daily basis. This look will be for someone who loves to do makeup for college or someone who have to attend meetings, as it will be very minimal and classy. Let's get started. I'll start by prepping my skin with Prosh Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer. I'm applying a generous amount all over my face. Also guys, don't forget to moisturize your lips too. Then I'm using a MAC Prep and Prime Mist to lock in hydration and give my skin a radiant and refreshed look. Now let's move on to the base. I'm directly applying my skin tone concealer to my under eyes because I don't have much dark circles. Take a damp beauty blender and blend out the concealer really well. If you have dark circles or pigmentation, then you can use orange corrector below your concealer. I am almost done with blending. After this, I am taking a single pump of Too Faced foundation. This much is more than enough. This is my personal favorite foundation. I am applying it with my fingers all over my face, as this look will be minimal, so we are not layering too much foundation. Then comes the next step, that is liquid blush. One drop of it will be enough. Liquid blush gives the most natural finish. I've applied a little bit on my nose as well. It gives me a refreshing look. Now we'll set the base with a loose powder. I'm taking Makeup Studio loose powder. I'll apply with the help of a triangular powder puff. Take a little bit of powder on the puff and dab off the excess on your hand. We don't have to apply this directly. Firstly, take your beauty blender and blend out all the under eye creases. Make sure that when you apply powder, there are no creases. Then set the whole face with a loose powder or compact powder, anything. Next, I'll be having powder blush. It's from Color Bar. Take some product in your brush and dab off excess. Apply it on your cheeks in a lifted manner. It will uplift your face and make it look more elevated. Afterwards, we'll be having highlighter. For this, you can take any big fluffy eyeshadow brush. Dab off the excess and apply it on your high points like tip of your cheeks, tip of your nose. This highlighter is from Becca. It is my most favorite highlighter. It glides on your skin so smoothly and gives a glowy finish. Now let me go off camera and complete my look and show you the final look. Here is my final look. I hope you all enjoyed the video and understood the process completely. If you have any doubt, then do let us know in comment section. Till then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.